This is a quick tutorial on how to apply your vinyl decal. The top clear sheet here and on the right is your transfer sheet. The bottom is the backer sheet. If you go to pull up your transfer sheet and the decal is still sticking to the backer sheet, go ahead and burnish that well so you can try to get it to stick to the transfer sheet. Once you've done that, go ahead and fold back the backer sheet, just a little piece of it. Don't expose any of the decal, just so it looks like this. And then take your transfer sheet and set that down when you get your decal lined up, and stick that transfer sheet down to your surface. And then take the backer sheet and pull that off. Be sure you're still checking the front of your sheet to make sure that you're getting all of the vinyl decal down. Once you get that on, you can burnish that. And go ahead and take off the transfer sheet. When you do this, fold it back on itself and pull down at an angle. And do it slowly so that you don't lift up any of the decal. Another way to apply your vinyl decal, especially if it's a small one like this one, is to go ahead and take off the whole backer sheet. Line up where you want your decal, trying hard not to get your decal stuck where you don't want it. And go ahead and apply it to your surface. And once you get that down, go ahead and burnish that. Then you can take off your transfer sheet. Remember to pull it down, fold it on top of itself, and pull down at an angle. If you're having trouble with the decal coming up when you do this, go ahead and put the transfer sheet back down and burnish again.